Investigators in Delaware are trying to solve a murder mystery that began when the body of 66-year-old John Wheeler was discovered in this landfill New Year's Eve. His death has been ruled a homicide. Wheeler was a military expert who helped lead the efforts to build the Vietnam Veterans Memorial in Washington, and he served in 3 Republican administrations, starting with Ronald Reagan. His body was found when a garbage truck emptied its contents at the landfill. Before it got there, the truck had picked up commercial refuse from a number of dumpsters in Newark, not far from Wheeler's home in Newcastle, Delaware.
Once it was determined that all of the dumpsters that were collected were from within the city of Newark, we were notified, and Newark police became involved in the investigation.
Wheeler was supposed to be on a train from Washington to Wilmington December 28th, but it's not clear if he actually made the trip. His attorney says the crime doesn't make any sense.
What baffles me is what happened in those 3 days. What happened between my last communication with him and a body being found?
James Fallows, a prominent journalist and friend of Wheeler's, is also baffled.
Because somebody who was as respectable, as well-liked, and as involved in high-minded causes as he had been, it just did not make any sense.
Police have been to Wheeler's home. They say it is not a crime scene. They also say no one had reported him missing, and his family was delayed in reaching authorities because they had been out of town. But his attorney says he was in a legal dispute with a couple who wanted to build a home near his in Newcastle's historic district. Brian Thomas, The Associated Press.